Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we're going to take a look at this circle cutter for drywall made by Milwaukee. This is going to be model number 495-60260. Now this will actually cut to a 7-inch hole. And what's really nice about it is it has this bowl. You will literally mount this inside of here so that I can kind of show you how that works. It goes inside just like that, and you'll put it up and you will cut the hole. And when you push this, this thing will smooth in. So it actually moves. It has a spring inside of here. Now, the reason you would do that is you can cut a perfect hole with this and you can set it. And I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So the reason you need something like this is if you're trying to put in can lights, or like I put in a whole bunch of canless lights. They clip up into the ceiling, but it needs to be flush and you need to have perfect holes. So you would actually be able to set the size of this, cut that hole perfectly, put your canless light up there, clip it in place, and you are good to go, and you're moving on to the next one. And with this little basket like it has, it's like a bowl, it's going to catch any dust. So you can do this in one room, catch all the dust, make no mess, and move on. You don't have to blanket stuff. You don't have to sit there with a vacuum trying to catch it. It's going to catch that dust. Now, if you're not doing can lights or canless lights, you could be doing things like cutting a hole in drywall and running a pipe through it. Anything circular, this is going to do the job for you. So let me show you how this works though. You have a pilot, which is going to be in the very center, which is going to start. So you need to know where your center is going to be, put that directly on it. It's going to start, and then these razor teeth are going to start cutting the sheetrock. Now, how you actually get this apart, this is the intimidating part that a lot of people are afraid of, but it's very simple. You simply are going to pull back on the little lever here, just like this, and your blade and everything, your drill bit, all of it comes apart. Okay, very simple. Set those down. So once you get it all apart, you can take and you can pull these all the way out, and that is going to be 7 inches right there. And then you can also move down to anything in between. They have gauges to help you figure that out, or you can even take a tape measure and just double check. Make sure that it's correct before you cut the hole. And just put it back, it's just the reverse. Take the drill bit, put the drill bit in the top, take the bottom holder, pull the piece back just like this. And yeah, if I can get that to go in, this one's a little bird, there you go. And now it's locked into place. Take this, set it back down inside, and I can hook to my drill right here, and I am ready to rock and roll. So if you need to drill some holes, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this, and it's going to keep your house really clean or the job site clean, save you time in trying to wrap everything, vacuum everything, have another person there holding the vac. This is just an all-around great time saver and cuts perfect holes every time. So I don't think you'll go wrong. I hope this helps. We will see you guys on the next review.